Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I want to show you how to set up your new LG Stylo 4. You've left the store, you've got it out of the box. What do I do now? That's what we're going to go over in this video. But before we go over that, really quickly, go to Instagram and search H2 Tech Videos and hit that follow button right there and make sure you follow us because we've got some great things coming for you guys. Monthly giveaways and some great tips and tricks you can only get through our Instagram. So hit that follow button and stay tuned. Alright, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you want to do with your phone when you get it out of the box, and this is every smartphone that I've ever gotten, this is the first thing I do. Go to your settings and under display, so make sure you're on the display tab, we're going to go down to screen timeout. And you want to change that from 30 seconds to at least 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Reason for that is if not, your phone will constantly be going off too quick. This way you have a little bit more time where you don't have to touch the phone so many times to keep the screen on. So that's our first tip right there. Our second one is a big one for me. I hate to say it, while I love this phone so much, there's one thing that's really irritating, and that's the keyboard. I'm just not a big fan of the keyboard. So we're gonna change that keyboard to something a little bit better. Just want to show you what it looks like right now. I've tried to type with it a few times and it just isn't that comfortable to me. So we're gonna switch it up with a keyboard I like that's called SwiftKey. This is a free app you can download in the Play Store. Just type in SwiftKey and this will come up. We're gonna open it up and they walk you through it. It's super simple. First, enable SwiftKey. There we go. Second, select SwiftKey. Third, get better predictions. And basically you can sign into your different services like your Gmail. They used to have an option for Facebook. They don't have that anymore. But basically you could sign into one of your services and they use your keyboard strokes to help predict the words that you're gonna type, and it helps to speed up the autocorrect in the keyboard. You don't have to set this up though. You can just hit not now for that. And then here's the fun part. You can actually customize the keyboard based upon how you want it to look. So this is the general look right here, but I can go to themes and they have a full gallery of some really awesome different styles you can select from, or you can create your own style as well. So some of you guys like a darker background. I like a brighter one. Usually like some type of color, but nothing too crazy. So let's see, anything jumping out at me? Let's see, sorry guys, choosing the right keyboard is very important. We will go with, for now, this one right here. It's kind of a two-tone. Hit download, not now. And again, you've got some other options here where you will be able to customize it. And these are all the ones that we've already selected. But again, here you can actually even upload a picture and you can make that the background. You can do a lot with this. So there's that. We're gonna go back. Here you can just test it out just to see what it looks like. Oh, I didn't actually select it. That's funny. Sorry. Theme, yours. We're gonna pick the one that we just downloaded. I think that's it. That's not it. Where is it? Let's try again. Sorry guys, sometimes things flow and sometimes things get a little off. So let's select it one more time. Hit download. Also, you have to sign into one of your services. We weren't paying attention. Okay, so let's go ahead and sign into our Google here. Sign into the Gmail, which is already set up on the phone. You should have already set that up. If not, you'll just need to sign into a Google account. So it looks like once you sign in, then it gives you access to the new keyboard themes, which is what we have now. Now it's downloading, so that's super easy. Sorry about that blunder. And as soon as that's finished, we'll be able to look at it and give it a quick test before we jump to the next thing. So looks like it's almost done. Perfect. And now there is our nice new keyboard. So it gives your phone a custom look, you know, looks a little bit different, and typing is just a lot easier on here. Now if we go back, you have some other options I want to show you really quickly. So you can resize the keyboard based on what is more comfortable for you. You can go to super small or super large depending on what you need, which is another thing I like about it. So I'm going to go with the medium style there. And then you can also add a number row as well if you want that extra row of numbers to just kind of help out. Maybe you know, type a lot of numbers, just nice to have that number row at the top there. And that's it. So that was one of our little setup tips right there. And now we have a new keyboard to go with our new phone. Our next setup tip is going to be, how do I change the wallpaper or the theme on the phone? Great question. Hold down on your home screen. At the bottom, it's going to say wallpaper and theme. We're going to tap on that. And the phone has a theme store by LG where you can download wallpapers, you can download full themes, or you can download icons. So you can do a lot to customize the phone to your liking. So these are some of the different wallpapers that are available. These are some of the stock ones that just come on the phone already. So you could simply just change a wallpaper, or you can get a little bit more elaborate. We can go to themes here. And the theme is not only going to change the wallpaper, but it's going to change how all the icons look, and it's going to change the background of certain sections. So if I tap on this one, for example, it will ask you to update the app. So go ahead and update it. It's usually pretty quick. All right, guys. So for this theme, we just tapped on it so we can take a look at it. And we're able to swipe and actually see what the different pages of the theme look like. So this is the lock screen. That's going to be your home screen. This is your what some of the apps look like. So you get customized apps. And another picture of the home screen. Yeah, so that's that. So this one is obviously not a free theme, it's a paid theme, but there are a mix of free and paid ones. If you come up here and tap top free, you are able to then just look at the free ones. And these are really cool. It gives your phone a lot of character, and it's just nice to be able to change it up and just have it look different. You may have a friend who also has the same phone, so it's great when you can have yours look a little different from theirs. So there's that. And spend some time, go through there, find one that works for you. And the last thing, maybe you don't want to do a whole theme, but maybe you just want to download a new font, or again, a new set of icons. They also now have ringtones and all kind of other cool stuff. So you can download a ton of different stuff from here. This is the icon section right here if you just want those cool different looking icons. So all that'll help you set your phone up and, you know, make it look unique and, you know, different from everybody else. So gotta love that. All right, we have two last little tweaks we're going to show you before we finish up the video, and one is going to be your navigation buttons down here. So if we go to the settings, and for this, we're going to look for, under display, our home touch buttons here. So one, you're able to change the color of the button depending on what you like. Maybe you have a favorite color. Down here you see the colors will change. You don't get a lot of options there, but you can, you know, do a little something there. And then we can also change the button combination as well. So maybe on a previous phone you're used to your back button being on the right and your recent apps on the left. You can switch them. Let's see. So if I hold it, I can drag it over here, and now my recent apps are here, and my oh, that's interesting. You can even move the placement of the home button. Did not know that. So now I'm going to drag this here. And now my home button middle, back button right, recent apps on the left. So you can set this up based on whatever is more comfortable for you. And you can also add a few more things. So you can add a quick screen capture. Just by tapping that, it'll take a picture of your screen. Or you can have a quick swipe down, so I can drag these two up. And guess what? Now you can have 5 options down here instead of 3. It's all up to you. I'm just gonna go with 3, and I'm gonna keep it in the original order, but feel free to rearrange it based on what's most comfortable for you. And our final tweak is gonna be with an app called Google Photos. So just swipe down, go on your home screen, swipe down, do a search, and type in photo, or P-H-O-T, and go to Photos, Google Photos. And what you're gonna wanna do is set up your auto backup. So the first time you open the app, this is what you'll see. You're gonna hit confirm, or make sure it's on the right Gmail account that you want it to be. Confirm, and then what it'll do is, it's gonna back up every single picture you take on the phone to Google Photos. So every time you take a picture, it will back up that picture. And now you never have to worry about losing your pictures because they're always going to be backed up in the phone. And you can also set some options in here to free up space on your phone. So like you can have it move some of the pictures just online, not on the phone. That'll free up some of your space. And you can access these pictures from anywhere. Any computer that's on the internet, all you're gonna do is go to photos.google.com, sign into your Gmail account, and you can look at these photos at any time. So it makes it really easy for you to stay connected with what's on your phone. And also if you lose your phone, everything is backed up. So I hope you guys did find this helpful. I just wanted to go over some basic tweaks to help you set your phone up and get you off to a good start with your new LG Stylo 4. Hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and remember to follow us on Instagram at H2Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching, guys, and have a good one.